Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'd like to show you how to repair a Sega Genesis controller. So I have a controller right here with the buttons that don't work. I mean they respond, they're responsive, they just don't work whenever I plug it into the system over here. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean, and I'll make a quick cut to it. Okay, so as we see right here, I have my controller hooked up, and if I push down, that works, left works, up, and let's see the jump. A doesn't work, B doesn't work, C also doesn't work. So, okay, B kind of works, but I have to jam it really hard. And A, I also have to jam it really hard, but regular pushing doesn't really work. Okay, so how do we fix that? Well, I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. I have been researching this, and I actually came across something that sounded so bizarre I had to try it, and it actually worked. And it requires no supplies whatsoever to fix the controller. All you need is a screwdriver, your controller, and a piece of paper. Literally, that's it. No alcohol, no boards, no pieces, no nothing. And in fact, this method was shown to me by this reader right here. So Twang Nut 4 years ago posted that he read in a forum that said all you need to do is take the controller apart and use a regular piece of printer paper. And that's it. And believe it or not, I've tried it and it works. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to fast forward through this, but what you need to do first off is take all 6 of the screws out of the controller. Okay, so whenever I took the controller apart and dipped it over, all the pieces fell out. So that's what this is. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to take the little buttons right here, those little black areas, and we are going to rub it on the paper. And the reason why the button connectors do not line up anymore, and you can see kind of that one, the C button, it shows the copper on it, but you can see that there is little build up around where the buttons have set. So over the years, these buttons have actually had build up come up on them. And you can see in the reflection of the light right there, you can see those lines on there. Those buildups are making the connectors not connect. So the best way to get rid of those that I've read is to take this, fold it over like that to where the black piece is sticking out, and then you're going to take it on a piece of paper, push it down, and rub it across. And there is no longer any lines on there. So just cleared it out. And then we're going to continue and do that with all the buttons. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go and try to put this back. So what I've done, as you can see right here, I've tried to take all the sheen and all of those little lines that you saw before off of it so it has a better connection. And we'll see if the buttons work with it again. Okay, let's go ahead, fire this up, and see if it works. So let's go ahead, turn back on our capture card, and let's turn back on the system. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. Go ahead and push start. Okay, that still works. Up and down works. And let's see. So down, yep, left, right, up, A, B, and C. And I barely am tapping, just barely pushing it. And let's hold it down. There we go. Okay, and there we have it. So a controller that was not responsive at all is fixed with just a simple piece of paper. That's it. All right, so thank you all very much for watching. I hope that this has helped you out. If it has, please leave a comment down below and let me know. If there's anything else that you'd like me to cover or like me to show you, go ahead, leave a comment. If you like this channel, if you would like to see more of our content, please go ahead and subscribe because it does actually help us out. So this channel is one of my weaker channels right now. I'd like to try to get it up to 1,000 subs, so you know, we can grow the channel and make it better. But if you like this, go ahead, subscribe to us, push that like button, and leave a comment down below. Thank you all very much, and I hope you have a great, wonderful rest of your day.